Madurai street food. Madurai street food. நல்லா ஆச்சு. சரி. அரை கப்பு போட்டது நான் போடுறேன்.
Very healthy food.
Oh, good. Thank you very much.
Very nice, very sweet.
Yes, yes. Cardamom. Yeah. Sweet corn. Is it sweet corn? Very nice. Jaggery. Water. There's water in there. Dried ginger. Dried ginger. Alright. So most of it is actually cottonseed milk. The cotton fiber, right? Okay. It actually comes with a seed. Okay. Cotton has a seed. Yeah. And the fiber is actually around the seed. Yeah. So once they de-lint the seeds you can actually crush it to make oil. The oil cake goes for fodder. The milk, cotton milk. So you have to fix that in Brighton. Yeah, there you go. With their latte. I'll have a cotton milk, please. And this is like super healthy. I mean, if you have a cold or a sore throat, this is like a... And this is something nobody knows how long it's been around. So there's a stall that sells over 90 years. Almost 3 generations of, the same family selling it. Like oatmeal, you make oatmeal by just with water. There's no dairy, no dairy. Incredible. I'd have never identified that. And again, this is something that you get only here in Madurai. Very good. And it's very common to find them early in the mornings and in the evenings. This is all the street food. Madurai street food.